Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level vocabulary lesson, and this is part 2 of nationalities and countries. Alright, so what is the capital city of this country? So this is France. And so the capital city of France would be Paris. How about the capital of city of this country? Well, this is Italy, and its capital is Rome. What's the capital city of this country? Well, this is the United States, and its capital city is Washington, D.C. So we're going to talk about capital city and country. So you can either pause the video and read this on your own, or you can follow along as I read. I come from America, so I am American. The capital city of my country is Washington. Each country has a capital city, and it is the city where the government is located. The capital city of Germany is Berlin. I am from Berlin, so I am a German and a Berliner. So what country were you born in? And you can make a sentence. So I would say, I was born in the United States. And you can say where you were born. In which city do you live in? I live in Jacksonville, North Carolina, but you can answer with the city that you live in. What is the capital city of your country? The capital city of the United States is Washington, D.C. And what do they call people from your city? I believe they would call us Jacksonvilleites, I guess, or Jacksonvillesonians. I'm not really sure. They don't really generally call us by our city. They'll call us by the state, which is North Carolina. So we would be called North Carolinians. Okay, so Ian is from Italy. So where was Ian born? So the answer would be Ian was born in Italy. What is the capital city of Italy? So the capital city of Italy is Rome. And what do they call people from the capital city of Italy? The people are called Romans. All right, so now we have countries and capital cities. So China, the capital is Beijing. Egypt, the capital is Cairo. France, the capital is Paris. Italy, the capital is Rome. Japan, the capital is Tokyo. Spain, the capital is Madrid. The UK, the capital is London. The United States, the capital is Washington, D.C. Germany, the capital is Berlin. And Russia, the capital is Moscow. All right, so what is the name of this continent? A continent includes all of the countries in a certain part of the world. So we can see we've got Spain, Portugal, we've got Italy, Germany. So the name of this continent is Europe. And the name of this continent, this is South America. This continent, Africa. So the world is divided into 7 continents. This person says, I am from Brazil, so I am Brazilian. Brazil is in South American, so I am also in South America, so I am also South American. So what continent is your country in? So for me, I live in the United States, so my country is in North America. And what do they call people from your continent? They call us North Americans. So you can answer that for whatever is true about you. So Carly is from Japan. So what is the capital city of Japan? Well, the capital city of Japan is Tokyo. And what continent is Japan part of? And Japan is part of Asia. And what do you call people from this continent? The people are called Asian. So you're going to fill in the sentences, the gaps with the words from the boxes, and you can either try this on your own or follow along. Justin is from the capital city of Germany, Berlin. Justin is called a Berliner because he is from Berlin. Germany is a country on the continent of Europe. Other countries in Europe include Spain and France. So Justin is also a European because he is from Europe. Okay, take you a few moments, fill in the gaps, and then you can restart when you're ready to check your answers. The biggest of the 7 continents is Asia. China and Japan are 2 countries located in Asia. And Beijing is the capital city of China. It is also one of the largest cities in China. And do you know the name of this region? Well, this is the Middle East. And how about this region? This is Scandinavia. So the world is divided into 7 continents. Inside the continents are many smaller regions. Frederick is from Spain. So Spain is a country in Western Europe. Western Europe is a region of Europe. So Frederick is European, Western European, and Spanish. Is your country a part of a region? Probably Well, it's North America. I don't know. It's my country's in North American, and so we would North America, and so people from our region would be called North Americans. Right? Sandra is from Egypt. So what region is Egypt in? So Egypt is in the Middle East. And what do you call someone from this region? Middle Eastern. And inside the 7 continents, there are many regions, and regions are smaller than continents. And the following are some common regions. So the Middle East includes Saudi Arabia, Syria, Iraq, and Iran. Scandinavia includes Sweden, Norway, and Finland. Western Europe includes France, Germany, and Italy. The Far East, or East Asia, includes China, Japan, and South Korea. And South Asia includes India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, some other countries also. So fill in the sentences with words from the boxes. Nick is in the capital city of South Korea, which is Seoul. East Asia is a region of Asia. Other regions in Asia include South Asia, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. Korea is on the continent of Asia. Other countries in Asia include Japan, China, and Thailand. So we can say Nick is both Asian and Korean. Janice is from the capital city of France, Paris. We call people from Paris Parisian. France is a country in Western Europe. This is a region of Europe, and since France is in Europe, Janice is also called a European. All right, so what is the capital city of this country? Well, this is the French flag, so the capital city of France is Paris. The capital city of this country, well, this is the United States, so the capital city is Washington. This, I believe, is China, so the capital city would be Beijing. And which continent does this country belong to? The United States is in North America. And what continent does this region belong to? Not sure. We'll have to take a peek on this one. This is Scandinavia. So it doesn't show Scandinavia. I guess Scandinavia is part of Europe. And finally, which country is not in Europe? Spain, France, India, or the UK? Well, India is in Asia, so it's not part of Europe. And finally, what do you call someone from the capital city of the UK? The capital city is London, so you would call that person a Londoner. All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, please leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.